Basecamp built a $100 million company. 16 employees. 0 salespeople. 0 venture capital. Everyone told them it was impossible. Nobody told them why it actually worked. In 1999, 2 guys ran a web design studio out of Chicago. They were broke, overworked, and drowning in client emails. So they built a tool to manage their own projects. They weren't trying to start a software company. They were trying to stop losing their minds. That tool became Basecamp. Here's where it gets interesting. While every competitor was raising Series A money and hiring sales floors, Basecamp did the opposite. No investors. No sales team. No roadmap meetings that lasted longer than 15 minutes. Segment 1. The pricing decision nobody copies. Most SaaS companies price per seat, charge more as you add users. Basecamp did the opposite. Flat pricing. One price. Unlimited users. Why? Because per seat pricing punishes growth. It makes customers resent adding people. Basecamp wanted customers rewarding themselves for growing their teams, not calculating whether the tool was worth the extra headcount. But the real question is, how do you sell software with 0 salespeople? Segment 2. Content as the entire funnel. Basecamp's founders wrote books, long essays, public arguments against startup culture itself. Rework. It doesn't have to be crazy at work. Every piece of writing quietly pointed back to the product. They weren't marketing a tool. They were selling a worldview, and the tool was just how you lived it. Segment 3. The hiring freeze that wasn't a freeze. Basecamp capped headcount deliberately. 16 people running a $100 million operation isn't an accident, it's architecture. Fewer people means fewer meetings. Fewer meetings means fewer opinions, fighting for the roadmap. The constraint was the strategy. And that was just the first 10 years. Here's what the documentaries on lean startups never mention. Basecamp turned down acquisition offers worth more than the company was making in revenue. Multiple times. But here's the part that never made the pitch decks. The founders weren't rejecting the money. They were rejecting the version of themselves they'd become if they took it. Every acquisition offer came with a roadmap dictated by someone else. Growth targets. Headcount mandates. The exact machine they'd spent a decade refusing to build. So they said no. Again. And again. The real question isn't whether Basecamp could have been bigger. It's whether bigger was ever actually the goal or just the assumption everyone else made for them. That flat pricing, 0 sales, 16-person playbook is still sitting there, unused, while most founders are still hiring a growth team before they've found a single repeatable customer. Here's what that means for you.